Have you ever looked up at the night sky, a tapestry of twinkling stars, and wondered if we're alone? It's a question that's captivated humanity for centuries. But tonight, I want to explore a different side of that vastness, a side that whispers of impermanence. We exist on a seemingly insignificant blue marble, hurtling through an unimaginable expanse. Life on Earth has thrived for billions of years, a testament to its resilience. Yet, scattered throughout our planet's history lie whispers of extinction, moments where dominant life forms vanished, leaving behind only fossils and echoes in the rock layers. The dinosaurs, once the undisputed kings of the planet, are perhaps the most recognizable example. Their reign ended abruptly, victims of a cosmic catastrophe. But they weren't alone. Throughout Earth's history, 5 major extinction events have reshaped the biosphere, reminding us that even the mightiest species can become footnotes in history. So, where does that leave us? Are humans destined to follow the same path? That's the question we'll delve into tonight. In this video, we'll explore the scientific realities of human extinction, both from forces beyond our control and those fueled by our own actions. From the fiery cataclysms of supernovas to the self-inflicted wounds of climate change, we'll examine the potential threats lurking around every corner. But don't worry, it won't all be doom and gloom. We'll also explore solutions, human ingenuity, and the potential for us to not just survive, but thrive in the face of these challenges. So, buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and get ready for a scientific voyage into the future of humanity. Will we become another chapter in the story of extinction, or will we find a way to write a new chapter, one of resilience and hope? Let's find out together. Echoes from the past, a deep dive into extinction events. Our story stretches back far beyond the rise of humanity to a time etched in the very rocks beneath our feet. It's a story whispered by fossils, remnants of life extinguished long ago. These aren't simply isolated incidents, but dramatic turning points in Earth's narrative, punctuated by colossal extinction events. Throughout history, 5 major extinction events have reshaped life on our planet, wiping out vast swathes of species and leaving behind a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability. Understanding these ancient catastrophes becomes crucial as we contemplate our own future. Let's rewind the clock 444 million years ago to the Ordovician Silurian extinction. This event, shrouded in some scientific mystery, may have been triggered by a confluence of factors. Imagine an ice age gripping the planet, causing massive glaciers to form and sea levels to plummet. This, coupled with potential changes in ocean circulation, could have created a devastating cocktail for marine life. Estimates suggest that a staggering 85% of creatures dwelling in the oceans perished during this event. Millions of years later, the Earth faced its most severe extinction event, the Permian-Triassic extinction. Imagine a scenario where colossal volcanic eruptions on a scale beyond comprehension spewed massive amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These eruptions, coupled with the possibility of a major asteroid impact, are the leading contenders for triggering this catastrophe. The consequences were dire. The oceans became anoxic, depleted of oxygen, suffocating marine life. On land, the once vibrant ecosystems faced a brutal onslaught. Estimates suggest that 96% of marine species and a staggering 70% of land vertebrates didn't survive this cataclysm. The Permian-Triassic extinction event serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of natural forces and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Fast forward 250 million years, and we encounter the most well-known extinction event, the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, often referred to as the dinosaur killer. Here, the culprit has a name, the Chicxulub impact. Imagine a massive asteroid, several kilometers wide, slamming into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact was unlike anything ever witnessed, triggering unimaginable devastation. global wildfires raged, tsunamis devastated coastlines, and a long period of darkness choked the planet. The consequences? 3/4 of all life on Earth, including the mighty dinosaurs, vanished, leaving behind an empty canvas for the rise of mammals. These are just a few snapshots from the brutal history of extinction events. Each event reshuffled the deck of life, creating opportunities for new species to rise from the ashes. It's a testament to life's remarkable resilience. But the lessons are clear. The Earth is a dynamic system, and even the most dominant organisms are not invincible. Dramatic shifts in our environment can have devastating consequences. So, what does this history of extinction tell us about the future of our own species, Homo sapiens? Are we destined to follow the same path? Understanding these ancient catastrophes becomes crucial in the face of the looming threats, both natural and human-caused, that could potentially lead to our own extinction event. But the past doesn't dictate the future. In the next section, we'll delve into the perils we face and see if there's a path forward for human survival. After all, the story of our species isn't yet written, and the power to shape our future lies within our own hands. Part 2. Nature's Fury, Threats from Beyond Our Control. While the stories of past extinction events offer valuable insights, our focus now shifts to the potential threats lurking in the vast expanse of space and within the very forces that shape our planet. These are threats beyond our immediate control, yet understanding them is crucial for ensuring the survival of our species. Let's begin with the celestial dance of destruction, the supernova. Imagine a massive star, several times the size of our Sun, reaching the end of its life cycle. In a spectacular but deadly explosion, the star collapses, releasing a tremendous amount of energy and radiation. While most supernovae occur far enough away to pose no direct threat, a nearby one could unleash a lethal dose of gamma rays, potentially stripping away Earth's protective ozone layer and exposing life on the planet to harmful solar radiation. Closer to home, we face the threat of asteroids and comets. These celestial nomads, remnants from the formation of our solar system, can pose a significant danger if they collide with Earth. Imagine a giant rock, several kilometers wide, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. Such an impact could trigger global wildfires, tsunamis, and long periods of darkness, mimicking the cataclysmic events that led to past extinction events. Thankfully, scientists are actively tracking near-Earth objects and developing technologies to deflect them if necessary. Now, let's turn our gaze back to Earth itself. Beneath our feet lies a fiery world, a world of molten rock and immense power. The world of volcanoes. While volcanic eruptions can be awe-inspiring natural wonders, they also pose a serious threat. Imagine a supervolcano, a colossal volcanic system capable of producing eruptions thousands of times more powerful than anything we've witnessed in recent history. Such an eruption could inject massive amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and triggering a global volcanic winter with devastating consequences for life on Earth. Finally, we can't ignore the potential threats posed by natural climate fluctuations. Imagine a scenario where Earth's climate dramatically shifts, perhaps due to changes in its orbit around the Sun or volcanic activity. These shifts could lead to extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and ocean anoxia, oxygen depletion, all of which could significantly disrupt ecosystems and threaten the survival of many species, potentially including our own. These are just some of the natural threats that humanity faces. While they may seem like distant possibilities, understanding these forces is crucial. However, as we'll see in the next part, the greatest threats to our existence might not be from outer space or the forces of nature, but from ourselves. We'll explore the human-caused threats to extinction and delve into potential solutions for a sustainable future. Part 3. The Human Factor, self-inflicted wounds, and paths to survival. In Part 2, we explore the potential threats to human existence posed by forces beyond our immediate control. However, the story doesn't end there. The truth is, some of the gravest threats to our future come not from distant supernovae or fiery supervolcanoes, but from ourselves. This part delves into the human-caused threats to extinction and explores potential solutions for a sustainable future. One of the most pressing issues facing humanity is climate change. This isn't a natural fluctuation, but rather the result of human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These activities release greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to a gradual rise in global temperatures. The consequences are alarming: rising sea levels, melting glaciers, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems. If left unchecked, climate change has the potential to cause widespread devastation and threaten the very fabric of human civilization. Another significant threat stems from our unsustainable relationship with Earth's resources. We've become masters of consumption, but not always of conservation. Our activities, including deforestation, unsustainable agricultural practices, and overfishing, are rapidly depleting vital resources like freshwater, fertile land, and fisheries. This depletion can lead to food and water scarcity, conflict, and ultimately, an environment incapable of supporting a large human population. Perhaps the most chilling threat of all comes from the destructive power of nuclear weapons. Just a single nuclear bomb detonated in a populated area can unleash unimaginable devastation, leading to widespread death and destruction. The nuclear winter scenario, where the smoke and dust from a large-scale nuclear war block out the sun for years, could disrupt global food production and trigger a worldwide famine. The very existence of these weapons presents an existential threat to humanity and a stark reminder of the potential consequences of conflict. The rapid advancement of technology also presents a double-edged sword. While biotechnology has the potential to revolutionize medicine and agriculture, it also carries inherent risks. Research into gene editing and synthetic biology, if not conducted responsibly, could lead to the accidental or deliberate release of dangerous pathogens. Additionally, the use of biotechnology for military purposes, creating so-called designer diseases, has the potential to trigger biowarfare scenarios with devastating consequences. However, the story doesn't have to end in despair. Hope still exists. The human spirit is one of innovation and resilience. We are capable of great things. The focus now shifts to potential solutions. A transition towards renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can help us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate climate change. Sustainable agricultural practices, including regenerative farming and precision agriculture, can help us utilize land and water resources more efficiently. International cooperation and diplomacy are crucial to address global threats like climate change and nuclear proliferation. Investing in research and development of safe and sustainable technologies is essential. Building public awareness about these challenges and fostering a sense of collective responsibility are key to driving change. Ultimately, our future depends on our ability to work together, to harness our ingenuity, and to choose a path of sustainability. The future is uncertain, but there's still a chance to rewrite our story. By understanding the threats we face, both natural and human-made, and by pursuing solutions through innovation and cooperation, we can create a future where humanity thrives alongside a healthy and vibrant planet. The choice is ours. What path will we choose? Part 4. A Lonely Universe? The Fermi Paradox and the Possibility of Colonization. Throughout this exploration of extinction, we've focused on threats here on Earth. But as we gaze at the night sky, a vast ocean of stars, a question arises: are we alone in the universe? The sheer number of stars and planets suggests a high probability of life forming elsewhere. The Fermi paradox, however, throws a wrench into this optimistic outlook. This paradox points to the seeming contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence for its existence. Where are all the aliens? While the answer to the Fermi paradox remains elusive, the possibility of life existing elsewhere fuels our fascination with space exploration. And as we grapple with the potential threats to our existence on Earth, the idea of colonizing other planets or moons becomes increasingly intriguing. Colonization wouldn't be a walk in the park. The technological challenges are immense, and the distances involved are staggering. However, the potential rewards are equally significant. Imagine having a backup home for humanity, a place to ensure the survival of our species beyond Earth's vulnerabilities. Colonization, if achieved, wouldn't be about abandoning Earth, but rather about safeguarding our future and spreading the human story across the stars. Whether we encounter intelligent life elsewhere or not, the journey itself is one of self-discovery. By venturing into the cosmos, we learn more about ourselves, our place in the universe, and the delicate balance of life on our planet. As we face the challenges of the future, the potential for extinction should not be a cause for despair, but rather a call to action. Let's harness our ingenuity, foster global cooperation, and strive for a sustainable future on Earth. And while we're at it, let's keep our eyes on the stars. Who knows, maybe one day, humanity's story won't be confined to a single blue marble, but will echo across the vast expanse of the universe. As we reach the end of this exploration, I hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the potential threats to human existence, both natural and human-made. But remember, the future isn't written in stone. We have the power to shape our destiny. By promoting sustainable practices, embracing renewable energy sources, and fostering international cooperation, we can build a future where humanity thrives alongside a healthy planet. Let's not let the possibility of extinction define us. Instead, let it inspire us to become better stewards of our planet and bold explorers of the universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the topics we discussed. Do you think we can overcome the challenges and ensure the survival of humanity? Let's keep the conversation going.